Captain Benny Blanco, Mercury Pro Team member.
And I'm Mercury Pro Team member, Captain Dustin Pack.
And we're both fly fishing guides in the state of Florida, and Dustin is a fly fishing guide in Tampa Bay, and I guide in Everglades and Biscayne National Parks. And we fly fish all the time, and we have new clients that are new fishermen, new fly fishermen all the time. They just picked up fly fishing, or they want to learn more, and it's super encouraging to see such a movement into fly fishing. And anybody can do it. And so here's some tips. First, go to your local fly shop. Find a fly shop near you, someone that you can rely on for tips and information as you go forward. Find a cheap combo, a rod and reel, an 8 or 9 weight. Every fly shop has them. There's no need to spend a ton of money on a fly setup. And what you want to do is learn the rhythm. Fly fishing is about rhythm. This is not casting the weight of your line on a spinning rod like everybody does. You're actually casting the weight of the line. What I tell my clients is, pretend like the rod is a paintbrush, and you dip the paintbrush in the bucket, and you want to flick that paint on the wall in front of you, and then flick it on the wall behind you. And if you can master that movement, then you can actually become a good fly fisher. What do you tell your guys?
So I like to say that straight up is 12 o'clock. Your rhythmic cast should be 10 o'clock off a clock and 2 o'clock. So this is 12, 10 to 2. 10 to 2. Slow, methodical, and rhythmic. There's a lot of technology in these rods. Let them do the work. The harder you try, the shorter your cast is probably going to be.
For sure, fly fishing is a long game. There is nothing quick about becoming a good fly fisherman. So enjoy that process. Enjoy every piece of that process. Because when you get to be good, there's nothing more rewarding.
Absolutely. It's a very, very difficult way, but it's very doable. And when it all comes together and you catch that fish, that magical fish on a fly rod, it makes everything worth it.
So enjoy the process. See you on a flat soon.